Alright, so this is going to be the demo for our secure multi-party computation with Mininet. And so what we have here is first we're going to talk about the simulator code. So how it works is we have a Mininet topology, which just consists of two hosts and a switch connecting them. Right now there's no network delay between any of the edges, so network latency should be very low. After we start the network, we have two different nodes. So remember, we're going to be participating in a two-party protocol. What happens is the first one's going to open up a server, and it's going to listen for input data, and the same thing's going to happen to the second one, and they're going to communicate with each other. And after that, they will be computing an algorithm based on Yao's garbled circuits in order to perform the secure multi-party computation. And basically the millionaire prob test is just checking to see if between two parties who has the most amount of money without either party learning how much income the other makes. And so here we just have two different Mininet hosts, and they open this code up, which is from an ABY algorithm posted on GitHub. We're going to talk about that shortly. And so here we have these two different hosts, and they run this algorithm. One's going to be a client, and one's going to be the server. And after that, we listen to the output coming from each one to see what they're saying and what the end result is. And so jumping into the actual code behind the millionaire client and server. So first what happens is they end up generating random amounts of money for each person to see who makes the most amount of money. And depending on the role, they're going to set up their own circuits. And basically the circuit is built. After the circuit is built, it's executed. And then finally, all of these different testing results as well as metrics are printed out. So let's give it a shot. So here we're going to run our simulator code that we were talking about earlier. So if you look up here, we have two different nodes. One's operating at this IP address and the other is operating at this one. And so each node will have a set of output, which is showing how it's constructing the gates, the timing for each operation that it's performing. And we're going to talk about each one during the final phase of our evaluation. So just to show you that this is what it looks like pretty much.